Sorry about the audio change. I'm on my phone now, the GoPro. It is full because I wasn't paying attention either time. I might have to switch wheels because of this obvious happening. I forgot about that. So yeah. But I got this on, so I might have to try to take off that cog and see if this wheel will work or another one. Not that one because it's too big. But yeah, might have to mess with this one first because how rusty it is. Or just use one from that, even though it's on the logger right now. I guess gotta deal with wire tape and taking this out, but I can do that later. Thanks for watching. If you got this far. Bye.